Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Today we're going to show you how to check the coolant level on your S550 Mustang GTs and how to also top off or add coolant to the Mustang. As you can see, I've got my S550 2019 Mustang GT here, and the coolant is pretty low. Now, if you do have a 2018 or 2019 Mustang GT, the coolant color is going to look different than what the dealership is selling nowadays. So I'll post up a chart here so you can see what coolant you need to get, but I'll show you what I got. I got this yellow pre-diluted coolant. This is already 50-50 mixed in, so I don't need to add water to it. Now, if you have a 2018 or 2019 Mustang GT, you're going to open this up and you're going to see the coolant inside. I don't know if you can tell from this shot, is orange. It's not yellow, but obviously the one we got here is yellow pre-diluted. Somewhere around late 2019s or 2020, they switched up the coolant, so all the Mustangs have this yellow pre-diluted coolant or yellow coolant. Ford doesn't make the orange coolant anymore. Now, the good thing is that you can interchange these. So if you have a car that came with the orange coolant, since you can no longer buy the orange coolant, you can still get the yellow coolant and fill it up. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that the car is on a flat surface. Mine's a little bit of an incline, but the most important thing is you want to make sure the car is not warm. So I'm checking when the car is kind of cold. I haven't started the car, that's why it's a little low. So when you start the car, it's going to circulate within the system. It will expand a little bit, but you don't want it to go above maximum. When you fill it up, you want to be between the minimum and maximum, so right around this belt line is where I would pull it up. But overall, it is pretty easy, so we're going to show you step by step how to check for the coolant. Obviously, we just checked it, but we're going to show you how to add coolant to your 2018 and up or any S550 Mustang. Again, if you have a pre-2019, pre-2020 Mustang, you will have the orange coolant. You can no longer get those, but the yellow coolant, I'll post up a chart, but the yellow coolant is interchangeable, so that's the one you want to get. So let's go ahead and open up this tab here. If the car is hot, you don't want to do this because you're going to have all this built up steam, but this is pretty easy. Just kind of twist it up a little bit. Now, if you've never opened up your coolant system and your car is kind of old now, I would recommend using some rag because it will take a lot of force. But once you kind of loosen it up, it should come out pretty easily. And that's what the coolant tank looks like. So we're going to fill up, this one is about 3 liters, right? Yeah, one gallon. So you're going to fill up just a little bit. I would do probably 1 liter each time and just to see how it fills up. You don't want to go above maximum. You want to kind of stay right around this belt line, because remember, when the car is hot, the coolant's going to expand, so you definitely don't want it to be above maximum line. All right, so let's start off with filling up the coolant. I would probably use a funnel if you have one, but I don't have one handy, so I'm just going ahead and I'm going to be basically filling it up like that. So you're going to have some spillover. You want to make sure you clean it up. Now, despite mine being extremely low, I would probably fill it up and just fill up a little bit and check. You want to make sure you check here and there. And you don't want to, like I'm checking right now, you want to make sure you're not just like filling up, because once the car warms up, once you start up the car, it's going to expand. So I would probably be a little bit more conservative when you're filling it up. And I'll even show you how much I ended up using. So let's go ahead and fill up a little bit more over here. And there's a lot of spillover over there. But yeah, let's just fill it up and we're going to test the levels again. So I just brought the car in to show you guys the coolant level because now we're at a flat surface. It was kind of like an incline. But based on what we filled up, you can see we are right between minimum and maximum. If I shake the bottle a little bit, you can see the splashes. It says right around here, which is where we want to be. Again, the car is still kind of cold, so when the car gets warmed up, it is going to expand and you'll probably get closer to the maximum level. If it does go even slightly above maximum while the car is warm, it's not a problem. But you definitely don't want to have the cold sitting around max because it's going to be too much pressure. Now, obviously, you want to make sure once you're done, you really tighten this, like not just a little bit, but you really want to put some force because you don't want the pressure to open it up. So as you can see, it takes really few turns. And I would probably even get the rag that I was using earlier to really tighten this down. So yeah, guys, that's how you check the coolant level on your 2019 or any S550 Mustang. I've got the 2019 Mustang GT. But very easy to do so. But if you're going to be tracking the car or driving your car hard, you want to make sure you're checking the coolant every so often. And I would probably just keep the yellow coolant around just in case to top it off. Let me show you how much we used based on the fill up on this car. You saw how low it was, but we used not even half of it. I still got about 3 liters here. As you can see, I'm shaking it. So it doesn't take that much. So even if you get 1 gallon, just kind of let it sit on your garage. Again, I got the Motorcraft yellow one, but you can get any of the brands to make sure your S550 Mustang is running healthy with enough coolant in the system. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on how to add the coolant level. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the like button. Comment below if your Mustang also kind of left the factory with low coolant. And of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.